The world of IT has never been more complicated, and it's only getting worse. Statistics show that 25% of your IT spend is wasted, and 40% of your IT projects will fail. Your hardware, your software, everything that makes your business function is moving faster than you are. You can't control it because you have no idea what it's become. And if you don't know anything about it, you can't do anything about it.
Apptio has a lot of large enterprise IT customers. Some of these customers spend hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars a year on their IT spend. And a lot of the CIOs who lead these organizations feel, frankly, like they're flying blind.
Maybe that's because they're doing it wrong. And if you feel the same way, so are you. You need help. You need answers. You need BDNA.
Most of the customers that we deal with, they understand technology certainly better than most people, and so they understand how it works, but what they really need to do is get the true value of it. And that's why I recommend a proof of concept, proof of value. And once you understand what you're getting, then you can make a real good business decision with a BDNA implementation.
The mission statement of BDNA is to drive the very best business decisions by providing the industry's most comprehensive and authoritative enterprise IT data. We basically provide better data for better decisions.
You know that what you're doing now isn't working because you just can't get the data you need. And that's not just causing problems for you, it's causing problems for the whole business. But with BDNA, you can finally get your IT under control. You'll know what you have, what you've bought, what's working and what isn't. Perhaps for the very first time.
We get models from BDNA, and then as our data comes in from the discovery source, it's normalized against that model catalog. I don't have to worry about creating a lot of models. BDNA somehow keeps up with all that. It just amazes me the depth of their product catalog. Well, we estimated on the initial implementation that we saved about 75%. I'm very happy with the kind of data that BDNA is providing us. I don't really have to worry about it. It also means that we can, for the first time, give a pretty clean view of the assets that we have.
One of the greatest pieces of intellectual property BDNA has today is actually the processes and tools that we have built for creating, managing, and curating that catalog Technopedia and keeping it aligned with the velocity of the market that we're in. Because the problem of data is getting worse every single day.
With the information you get from BDNA, you can survive an audit. You can know what to migrate to the cloud. You can match what you've bought to what you're using. You can plug your security holes. You can know what's working and what needs replacing, because finally, you'll have the enterprise IT data you need to manage your IT environment and your business.
There were multiple areas that we liked around BDNA. Chief among them was really being able to have a common IT language. We have a common language for services, but we really didn't have a common language to be able to talk about enterprise software and hardware, where we did not have to manage the data ourselves. They actually update their Technopedia daily. So it really helped us reduce the costs. With over 52 million data points, that's pretty powerful stuff.
At the end of the day, nobody does asset management just to do asset management. You manage your assets to save money. BDNA allows us to get in there, do our work, help make the customer successful, and get out.
With the data that BDNA provides, it's an enrichment source of data that provides a lot of additional value. This is information that, when married up with the information the customers already have, these customers have achieved amazing results in terms of cost optimization, better service delivery to their end customers within the business, and ultimately helping those companies, I think, drive more revenue.
The enterprise IT data and the tools to use that data is information you can use to help the whole business run better. And it's only available from one place, BDNA.
Our goal is to become the de facto standard for enterprise IT data, and by that we mean the hardware, the software, and the purchases of hardware and software, because those three elements create the very foundations for virtually every IT process and every IT project. IT planning, procurement, configuration, asset management, the entire scope of those processes and projects. And there's simply no better place to get that information than from BDNA.
Start doing IT right with BDNA. BDNA, better data, better decisions.